Is your iPhone showing cannot connect to App Store? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Go to Settings first and then on General. You will see an option for date and time. Click on that and make sure it is set to Set Automatically. Go back to Settings and click on your name. Scroll down to the bottom and sign out of the device by entering the Apple ID password. Go to the home screen and click on the power button and the volume up button together and restart your device. Make sure to wait for a few minutes or so before restarting your device again. Open your App Store and see if it is fixed yet. If not, go to Settings again and then on Cellular. Scroll down and search for App Store and make sure it is toggled on. You can also go to Wi-Fi settings and turn off and then turn on the Wi-Fi again. If none of these seem to work, go to General and then scroll down to bottom, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings now and enter your password. By now, your App Store should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.